If you're over 40 and eating the wrong foods, there's a good chance plaque is quietly building up in your arteries and you won't even know it until it's too late. The good news? There are a few powerful meals you can start eating today that naturally help clear your arteries. No statins, no surgery, no gimmicks. I'm going to show you exactly what to eat and which so-called heart-healthy foods you should stop combining right now because some of them are secretly making things worse. Let's start with the biggest offender, whole wheat bread. Most people believe it's great for their heart, but the truth is it can actually do serious damage. Even the brown, organic, multigrain versions can spike your blood sugar and insulin levels just as much as a Snickers bar or a can of soda. Over time, these constant spikes form something called advanced glycation end products or AGEs, which inflame the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your arteries. Once that lining gets inflamed, oxidized LDL particles stick to it like Velcro. Combine that with heart-healthy vegetable oils, and you've got a dangerous mix that pushes those oxidized particles deep into your artery walls. So what should you eat instead? A true artery healing meal is one that helps clear plaque and raises your HDL, that's your good cholesterol, the body's built-in cleanup system for your arteries. The goal is to keep HDL above 70 on your lab results and triglycerides below 70. You can do this by focusing on meals rich in healthy fats, high-quality proteins, antioxidants, and foods that keep insulin levels steady. Here are 7 of the most powerful foods you can add to your diet right now to reduce inflammation, unclog your arteries, and protect your heart for life. 1. Wild-caught salmon. This powerhouse food is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which are known for their strong anti-inflammatory effects. They help lower insulin levels, support weight loss, improve blood sugar balance, reduce triglycerides, and boost your HDL, the good cholesterol that keeps your arteries clean. Always go for wild-caught salmon instead of farmed, since the nutritional quality and fat composition are much better. Try to include it in your meals once or twice a week for optimal heart health. 2. Avocado. Often called nature's butter, the avocado is one of the best sources of healthy fats you can eat. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and plant sterols that calm inflammation, support your adrenal glands with essential B vitamins, and provide twice as much potassium as a banana but without the sugar spike. Because it's full of healthy fats and fiber, it helps stabilize blood sugar and keep you full longer. Aim for half to a full avocado most days to raise HDL and lower triglycerides naturally. 3. Arugula and watercress. These 2 leafy greens are incredible for your cardiovascular health because they help your body produce more nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. This process, called vasodilation, improves blood flow, oxygen delivery, and overall heart function. Unfortunately, diets high in sugar and seed oils deplete nitric oxide, leading to tighter arteries and higher blood pressure. Adding arugula and watercress to your meals regularly can help restore nitric oxide levels, lower triglycerides, and keep your arteries flexible and healthy. 4. Olive oil. One of the most powerful foods you can include for heart health. Real extra virgin olive oil has been shown to increase HDL, reduce triglycerides, and even reverse insulin resistance. Its secret weapon is oleocanthal, a natural polyphenol that acts like a mild anti-inflammatory, protecting both your body and brain. The best way to use it? Make a simple dressing with olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and sea salt, and drizzle it over your salads, arugula, or salmon. Always choose organic, extra virgin olive oil in a dark glass bottle to protect it from light and oxidation, and steer clear of cheap brands mixed with seed oils. 5. Walnuts. These nutrient-dense nuts are rich in arginine, an amino acid that helps your body produce nitric oxide, the compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Walnuts also support higher HDL, your good cholesterol, making them a true artery protective food. When buying, always go for raw, organic walnuts that come sealed in a bag. Avoid open bulk bins, since exposure to air and light can cause the nuts to oxidize and lose their benefits. A small handful every other day is all you need to support healthy arteries. 6. Eggs with the yolk. Despite years of misinformation, whole eggs, especially organic, pasture-raised ones, are one of nature's most complete foods. The yolk is loaded with powerful nutrients like choline, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which reduce inflammation, raise HDL, and protect your heart and brain. Don't fear the yolk, that's where most of the nutrition is. And if you like your eggs runny, even better, a softer yolk keeps more of those delicate nutrients intact. 7. Red meat. Contrary to what you've been told, high-quality, grass-fed red meat doesn't cause heart disease. The problem isn't the meat itself, it's the refined buns, sugary sauces, and inflammatory seed oils that often come with it. Pure red meat is rich in carnitine, creatine, and essential minerals that fuel your mitochondria, especially important for your heart, which is packed with these energy-producing cells. Include clean, grass-fed red meat in your diet regularly as part of an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. Now, let's talk about some so-called healthy food combinations that can actually promote plaque buildup in your arteries. Cereal and orange juice. This common breakfast may seem harmless, but it causes big spikes in blood sugar and triglycerides, creating oxidative stress that damages your arteries. Salad dressings. Many restaurant dressings are loaded with inflammatory seed oils, which can undo the benefits of an otherwise healthy salad. Stick to a simple mix of olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of sea salt instead. Low-fat yogurt with fruit at the bottom by removing the fat and adding sugar. These yogurts can raise triglycerides and deplete nitric oxide, leading to inflamed arteries rather than a healthy heart. Beyond diet, there are 7 powerful lifestyle habits that can help raise HDL, lower triglycerides, and keep your arteries clear. 1. Grounding. Walking barefoot on grass, sand, or dirt helps reduce inflammation and naturally boosts nitric oxide. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day. 2. Sauna. Heat therapy, whether through an infrared or dry sauna, promotes vasodilation and increases nitric oxide production. Try to get around 150 minutes per week. 3. Exercise. Sprinting, strength training, and burst workouts improve blood circulation and nitric oxide levels, supporting heart and artery health. 4. Walking. A simple walk, especially after meals, can lower insulin and triglycerides while helping raise HDL. 5. Nose breathing. Breathing through your nose produces nitric oxide, whereas chronic mouth breathing depletes it. Consider techniques like mouth taping at night. Somnifix is a reliable brand to boost nitric oxide while you sleep. 6. Avoid mouthwash and fluoride toothpaste. Antiseptic mouthwashes and fluoride-rich toothpaste can reduce nitric oxide and increase blood pressure. Stopping their use can restore balance in about a week. 7. Healthy cholesterol perspective. Don't fear total cholesterol above 200. Low cholesterol can actually be a risk factor because it lowers nitric oxide. The focus should be on reducing cholesterol oxidation, not cholesterol itself. By consistently following these habits, you can raise HDL and lower triglycerides by 30 to 50% within a month. For a more comprehensive guide, check out the Metabolic Freedom book, which offers a 30-day system to restore metabolism, balance hormones, and improve heart health.